This is my version of the circular polarized antenna mod on the Hubsan X4 H107D FPV mini quad. It comes factory FPV, but it has a directional little antenna, whip antenna, kind of like this one, but probably it's about that long when it comes on it. This isn't the one, but changed it. It had a patch antenna inside, which I just wired in a clover leaf on the receiver, and a 4-lobe omnidirectional or unidirectional, whatever they're called, and it works awesome. Don't lose signal. I just need to find a way, and if anybody knows, send me a message on how to up the power on the transmitter or the receiver for the camera. Happy flying.